Hi, we did lots of landscapes, so this week I'm going to do a little bit different than the other class. I'm not going to show you the steps, the process of it. You already kind of know how to do it, right? Been doing so many. So first, just blacking it, no details. And for this one, the background, the tree going to put on top of the background. So in the beginning, you just think this, all those are backgrounds, and don't do it like this part. You can't do like that. Then later on, you put the tree on top of it, the branches. Okay, that's about it. Then the layers, from dark to medium to light, and the groups of it, all the groups make it three-dimensional, all that. So you don't, so there's a whole group, right? In the whole group, you break up with small, medium group. With medium group, you break up with small group. So each one, what do you have? You have a general light spot and dark spot, and dark spot and light spot. Small group have dark spot and light spot. That's how you build up this, three-dimensional bush, right? So for that, then the main thing, this one, I'm going to show you how to mixing colors, right? Like how to mix all those colors. And for those bright colors, those yellow should be easy. And let's see all those greens, right? Like this spot, that green, and probably that's a warm green, right? What I do is first I get mixing some green. I don't have like exactly like a warm green, so I have to mixing it. I'm use this green mix with the yellow oak, so make it more, see, like yellow ochre. That's more like warm green. You can tell, right? That's a cold green. This is a warm green because it get yellow in there, right? So yeah, that's the warm green, right? And then that's the cold green. It's less, will be a cold green. Say less yellow will be the cold green, right? And if you wanted the green to be darker, remember this, I think I have been telling you guys for a while, like if you wanted the green to be darker, because if you want this green to be darker, this is just more bright, right? You mixing with some red, then become a dark green. See that? It's more too red, I can put some, see, that's a darker green, right? Pretty dark green. So if you think, oh, that's too cold, see, this kind of like a purplish green, you can add some Barcinera in there, and become a little bit warm green, warm dark green, right? And now you think, oh, that's a green too, right? That's like a lighter green, and you can lighter cold green and put some blue in there and white, need some green. Just try to make that lighter green color, and even lighter, and put some white. See, that's the lighter green, right? And that's kind of a cold green. That's why I put some blue in there. Then that part is light. Then right? Okay. let's see what else. This is a very warm green, kind of like that. I think just the green, right? Just the green. How I mix all those different from cold, warm greens. And also, you know, when you do the tree, think about groups. You know, if you have a group, you're definitely going to have dark and light, so make it three-dimensional, right? The same as the grass, dark and light. So this one is like really obvious, or big long group have dark and light side and medium dark light small ones, and build up from the dark, then put the light on top, and each time you are building it, then be a, you know, think about, you can't just build it like even two values, kind of two values, right? Like dark, medium, that's medium, maybe a little light than that, right? That's a medium. Then that's the light color. If you want it more warm, you can add a little bit yellow in there. See the build up. And also another thing is this picture has lots of brush strokes because it's trees, right? So when you use it, don't make it too flat. Like, don't paint like that, okay? Use brush strokes. And constantly mixing color on the palette. And you can also see interesting about this palette. See the colors? I didn't mix it like that. See, I didn't mix it so smooth like it's the same color. See the difference? I mix a little bit, so when you pick up, you brush, put on there, see? They have a different colors. That make it interesting, okay? That makes it looks natural. Because you not like paint a wall or you paint a cement. You have to like be like very smooth. You are painting grass, trees. They are very you know, uneven. So you mixing color, you like do like that. Okay, now put it on. See, different colors, and make it bigger so you can see the every brush I put on. See, so interesting, right? And you pick up some red, pick some green, then you put it on, right? Like that. Okay, that's about it. Hope you guessed. Have fun.